All right, welcome back, everyone. Here's what we're going to do today. We're going to take a few notes. I got two problems kind of picked out. Once we're through our two problems, then we're going to basically get to the homework today. It's on a Google form. I think it's 6-7 questions, something like that. So it's based on delivery dates. So we'll get to that here in a minute. Remember, when we talk about delivery dates, it doesn't have to be a 90-day window. It could be anything really. It could be 15 days. It could be 30 days. It could be just random numbers. So just 90 days is kind of a standard. I don't try to go more than that. But we're going to talk about that today. If you look at my little chart here with the little knuckles, I know this seems silly. This is what we talked about yesterday. It was like how to figure out how many months or how many days are in a month, right? So you hold up your knuckles. If you're on a knuckle top, when you start on the farthest hand, your left hand, and you work your way to the right. If you're on a knuckle top, you have 31 days, so it's January. If you're in the valley, you have less than 31, so February has 28, 29 on leap year. Then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November to December. And you can see, from my iPad screen here that which months have 31 and which ones don't. The ones in yellow don't, and the ones in green do. So now we're going to use this concept to figure out delivery dates. That's what we're going to do. So I'll just kind of make up two problems. These look exactly like your homework, and we'll kind of go from there. So let's start with our first one here. Let's say we're going to be on, let's say that we're on March 22nd. So we'll start there. So we're starting on the 22nd of March, and let me zoom in here. So we're on the 22nd of March, and we're going to let's go 45 days. We didn't do anything like that the other day. So 45 days from here. So what I want to calculate first is, how many days until we get to that 45-day window. So, how many, what day of the month we're going to land on. So 45 days. So in March, there's 31 days. So if I just take 31 minus the 22, we're starting on March 22nd. That tells me how many days left of the month I have. It should be 9. So if I take 31 minus 22, I get 9 days. So it takes me 9 days into March to end it. Then I can go pretty much all of April. That's 30. So 9 plus 30. So we're at 39. So, spelled that wrong. 39 days. So far we're here. We can still go, but we can't go the next month, right? I can't go all of May. I'll be at too many. If I add all 31, we're going to be at, 70 days. I don't want to have that. I want to go 45 days. So we're at 39. So I need to go the next 6 days. 6 plus 39 will get me there. So the next 6 days. And so we're going to be ending up at May 6th. That's the date when it'll be delivered. So this is the concept of what we're trying to find. That's in every problem. So the trick is to figure out how many days left in the month you're on. Then you can start counting up to get to whatever number you have. So that's the idea. So if I'm going 45 days, after that first month, I only used 9 days of the 45. So I had a lot of days to keep going. But we landed on May 6th, and that's the purpose. So when you go in your Google form today, you're going to type in what month you landed on, right? All right. Next and last final problem today. I said it was going to be short and simple. I was just going to do 2 of these, and I'll train you loose in your homework today. Let's say on this one, we're going to start on, let's go February, and let's go like the 25th here. So we're going to go February 25th, and we're going to let's go 60 days. Kind of some weird number. So 60 days. I'll zoom in here. Whoa. So zoom in here. All right, so 60 days from February 25th. So obviously I'm going to have 3 more days. 3 days left in February, so 26, 27, 28th. So there's 3 days there. I can go all of all of March, and so that'll take me up to 34 days, so 3 plus 31. So I'm at 34 here. And now if I try to go all of April, I can't, because that'll put me at 64. Put me too many. So I'm 4 days too many. So I'm basically going to go all the way through and count up until I get to 60. So I need 26 more days. So I'm going to land on the 26th of April. So April 26th. And that's the day when it should be delivered. That's the latest day. Again, this is a time frame for like the last day they would possibly deliver it. So, all right. That's exactly what you're doing in your homework. I think you have like 5 to 7 problems somewhere in that range. It's on Google Forms, so go answer those. It's due on Thursday this week, and you guys are good to go. So if anyone needs to borrow a calculator, just let me know. Stop the recording right there.